Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is September 14th. We do have the markets, still reacting after the negative trade that we had seen yesterday. Corn was down sharply yesterday. Beans down sharply. We are seeing some follow through again this morning. No sales or cancellations at 8 o'clock this morning. So really just lack of news may continue to carry us down again. But something to be certainly aware of. A lot of producers still holding on to old crop corn. I'm fielding a lot of questions asking, what are we doing? What do I do with my old crop? I think now what we're starting to see is a lot of more or less panic selling. And this push lower may be fueled by a lot of producers having to move grain before harvesting this new crop and finding out there's a big crop out there yet again. So it is a lot of the news right now, certainly bearish. We are starting to see more of that. But we had a nice little bounce. Corn, we've got to watch really 322.5 as far as a downside. And then also 314.75 for December. Those are areas that we have support on the downside. Hopefully we can catch in here and maybe find some kind of support at those levels. Beans, we're getting down near those lows that we made just a few weeks ago. 937 on November is an area to watch as well. But finishing the overnight session unchanged. We did have some of these outside markets trying to find strength as well overnight, but now starting to fail too. Crude oil tried to work higher, now down over 50 cents. Stock futures starting to work lower again as the dollar finding some strength today, which in turn is giving kind of a negative attitude toward commodities as a whole. Livestock, probably going to see more choppy trade out of cattle. We're trying to find a low in here. We've got a nice recovery off these lows, but still trying to find, can we get this seasonal bounce like we typically do this time of year? But we still have big numbers showing up, still have huge supplies, and so we've got those things to deal with ahead of us. That's exactly what's happening for hogs too. Big hogs coming in, huge supply, but trying to find that seasonal low as well. Yesterday, hogs pushed into new lows, and hopefully today we can see some kind of recovery, but we'll see as we get going throughout the session. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take care.